there, bag makers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today I wanted to share with you some brand new product releases, and the very first is what I am the most excited for, as I have brought in some water resistant fabrics available in 10 different colors. They come folded in a poly bag and they measure 18 by 56 inches in length. Now this is a great alternative to waterproof canvas because it is water resistant. When I got the samples of this fabric in, I took it outdoors, I rubbed it in the dirt, came in and wiped it off with a damp rag, and the dirt came off beautifully. I also put this underneath the faucet, and the water just beads up and rolls right off, so that's why this makes great bag linings. But you could certainly use this on your exterior of your bags as well. The other biggest benefit of this is you do not need to use a interfacing on it. So no need for SF101 or our own sew woven fusible interfacing on it, because it already has a nice weight to it. There is no one-way stretch in it. So this is going to be a huge time saver for you. So if you love using waterproof canvas, you're going to love the water resistant fabrics that we have here. Alternatively, if you don't like waterproof canvas because you find that it's a little too rigid and stiff to work with, or your sewing machine doesn't like it, I think you're going to love the alternative here, the water resistant fabric, because it sews up beautifully, still gives you that water proof or water resistant qualities to it. We do recommend opening up your package and letting it air out for about 24 hours prior to use. Set it outside or in your garage, as there is an odor to this when you first open it up. I also recommend that you press this from the wrong side prior to cutting out your pattern pieces, as there is a little bit of a shrinkage in the fabric. You could also use a Teflon sheet or a pressing cloth on top of the wrong side of the fabric, just to be on the safe side. Here is a Betsy bowler that I made up using the rose-colored water-resistant fabric for the lining. So let's take a closer look at that. It sews up just beautifully. I love this fabric and I will be using this in a lot of my bags in the future. We brought this fabric in limited quantities just to try it out, see how everybody likes it. So if you are interested in trying it, I recommend you grab it right away, because I think we're going to sell out pretty quickly. But don't worry, we will be restocking if it is a popular, which I already think that it's going to be very popular, as we've been selling it pretty quickly here in our Dun Allen store. I think we've had it in stock in our Dun Allen store here for about a week or two now. And the customers have been kind of drooling over it whenever they have come and tried it and fielded it. They were very excited for it. So grab your water-resistant fabric before they are sold out. All right, next up, I have 4 new printed vinyls for you that I am excited to share. As I mentioned, I made up this Betsy bowler, and I did use one of the newest printed vinyls on the exterior of this bag. I also made up the gusset here and the flap and the strap with our recently released faux leather in the navy blue color to make this beauty. And this particular print is called our Peaches and Cream Floral on Navy. And we also have this available in our quilting cotton. We brought it in the vinyl because the quilting cotton was one of our biggest sellers. So let me grab that just so you can see the difference. So here is the Peaches and Cream Floral on Navy in the cotton, as well as our printed vinyl. And I did scale the flowers on the vinyl just a little bit larger than I did on the cotton fabrics. Next up, we have our blue floral on white. This is also another quilting cotton that we had in stock that has been selling so well. So we brought it in the vinyl. Again, the scale of the cotton is a little bit smaller than the printed vinyl here. So I love this one. The shades of blue are just stunning. And our customers here in Dun Allen have been drooling over this vinyl and purchasing it as well. When we get new shipments in, we put it out here in the floor right away, and then it takes me some time to photograph the items and get them listed online. So if you are local to Dun Allen or Ocala, Florida, then stop in our shop, because we always have new items that are not even on our website just yet. Next up, we have our Black Velvet Flora printed vinyl. And this one I think is absolutely stunning. So it's black and white flowers. You're also getting little hints of blue in here and some tan colors. So super stunning. I would love this paired with our new faux leather in the black. And the last printed vinyl that we have is our Berry Blush. This one is such a sweet print. We have pink blooms in different shades of pink. We've also got some nice deep purples in here, some green leaves, and then we've got these little reddish pink berries in it. So this one I absolutely love, and I'm going to be making a bag myself in this one because I love pink. I have also made up some fabric bundles on our website with the brand new prints. So that way we've done the hard work for you, paired up either waterproof canvases or cotton fabrics that pair beautifully with the printed vinyls. We also recently added, I think, 12 new bundles on our fabric bundle section because you guys love our fabric bundles so much. So we are actively adding new bundles as we have time. And the last product that I have for you is our brand new 1-inch wide seatbelt webbing. We have this available in 9 different colors. In our store here in Dunellen, we got lots of requests for 1-inch wide webbing. We originally brought it in cotton, and now we have it available also in the seatbelt webbing. So grab yourself some webbing for your handbag straps. And just in case if you missed the newsletter that went out to let you guys know that our Tote Pals have been restocked, we do now have those available. So the Tote Pal goes in conjunction with our Laura Jean sewing pattern, or you can use the Tote Pal on any basic handbag to dress it up. It allows you to add a zipper pocket as well as attach your handle to it. So if you want more information on the Tote Pal, just check our YouTube channel here as we have videos that go over our Tote Pal. And the last thing that I wanted to remind you is that we have several different printed vinyls that are now available for purchase at $9.99 per roll. So take advantage of this huge savings on these printed vinyls. We need room for new products that are coming in 2025, so we decided to discount these for you. We also have our buy one, get one free quilting cottons that are still on our clearance section. So make sure you check out the BOGO cotton fabrics. Shop our brand new products, our fabric bundles, our clearance, and our BOGO sale on our website at sewyours.com. Thank you so much for watching.